I've lost that. It's a lot harder than the channel.
Let's get a substantial breath in it.
Right, I get it now.
And keep the pressure on this one nice and steady. So you can be going like that. You know what I mean?
Colin's cat just ran away. Alright. I can't remember that one. This is hard. I don't know. We need an expert on this. Serious. You are the expert. I can't remember how it goes. Really like a good start. How does it start? Do you know? Get that guy in with the guitar.
Hi, it was Alan.
He's got